Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Index Insider. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video to analyze for you here the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100, and the DXY. So, if you are a swing trader, stick with us all in the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Discord. The link of our Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the S&P 500 here in 4 hours, today we break that level here, that one as we been talking about, as you remember we talking about here, and even the neckline of that head and shoulder here, I showed it to you before, that one here. Now we're touching here another stronger level here, as you see it from here and here. For some people, they will told me you haven't touched that one here. I'm going to show you exactly where us we're getting that supply and demand zone. As you see it here, also we're going back to the time here. You see here and you see it here, that the level also we following here. Even if we go back more, you're going to find it a stronger level here. Last time from here, we're resting in it, and now we got another one here. Where is the market now exactly? And that one now it's being broke. That way you see the S&P 500 tail now still holding here. Exactly the level, let me tell it to you. The top of it 42. The top of it 42.38.6, and the down of it here at 41.85.1. That's the level here. Should now we be worried? Should we thinking the market is going to reverse from here? Because let's zoom it a little bit to show you those things. Because as you see here, we just touching here, then the market gave us here two big engulfing candles here. As you see it, it gave us the first one. We try to break here a red one, then another green engulfing candle here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Shall we enter long now? Not yet. There is nothing yet, guys. You need to remember that. And we got a pin bar here like that in the daily here. Shall we enter long now? There is nothing telling you to enter long now here. That one, it happened because just people they got here pending orders, and me are thinking there is more falling down than that. We haven't bottom yet, guys. We just been discussing that, me and some people in my Discord channel. We haven't bottom yet. Still more falling down than that. Remember my word. We haven't bottom yet. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, we got here a divergence here. As you see it, very clear divergence here. Shall we enter long? Till the market gave us here a price action telling us the market is going to reverse. Till now us we still in a falling knife. Remember my word. Till now us we still in a falling knife, and there is no price action here telling you need to enter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. Pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Before we go into see the coming news, we need to resume what happened today. The first thing is that one here, treasury yield. This still giving us higher high. As you see it, 10-year yield. It gave us a new high, a fresh new high, and that's something very, very bad, guys. A fresh new high in the treasury yield of 10 years. That's something you need to put it aside. Another thing we got here, the big tech here cut some losses, but not a lot. As today, Meta or Facebook, they unveil Quest 3 VR headset, but all that it doesn't show nothing. Google the same thing, but market is still falling down. There is nothing to try to recover. Cannabis stocks, but market still falling down. That's the only thing I can tell you here. Now let's see the coming news today, because today we got a very, very important day. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, we got today a very important day. We got Germany CPI, GDP of USA, initial jobless claim, pending home sales, and the most important event we're going to come today. It's the one Fed Chair Powell speech. It's going to come at 8 o'clock GMT time. That's an afternoon. So you need to be focused on those things. And here is our friend, the table of us. Also, we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. All US stocks today, some of them green, they close in the day green, like the SP 500 closed today with a green pin bar. Nasdaq, same thing. Not good news, but let's wait and what's going to happen today. And here is our friend, is the VIX 18. That's when scarcity is getting too high, but not yet. We haven't touched the 20 level, and even the VVIX, it hasn't reached to the level to peak, and it will tell us that the bottom for us to try to find the entry short. And even the implied volatility, if you are a stock option trader, it's not yet. So it's not yet, guys. That's the only thing I can tell you. US dollar is still giving us new highs, and we are coming to it. So I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the SP 500, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. The SP 500, as you see, it's still giving us here low, high, low, high. So there is nothing, as you see. At the first low, second low, third low, another low here. It's still giving you low, 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 high, low. That means you are still in a downtrend here, as you see it. As you see, guys. So there is nothing here. It will tell you need to enter long. Always if we got a price action here. But the only price action me I got now here, as you see it. That one here. That one, if it came and breaking above here, that last high which is here, you can enter long, because that one here is going to give you a double bottom, guys. I'm going to tell you why, because the divergence I'll show you in the 4 hours, and even here in 30 minutes we got a divergence. Let me show it to you. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. If you came to that one here with that one here, and you try to connecting them by a line like that, that one here is it, that one here. So you got here a divergence. That's why me I told you, if we break in here that last high here, I will tell it to you exactly. Is it at 42.95.6? If we break it, you can enter long. Break it how? It's need a candle to come to close above that level here. You can enter long, but at this time, every time as we came to that line here, we saw another dip. That's why me I told you need to wait. Till now, you got a pin bar in daily, you got a big engulfing candle in the 4 hours, and here you got that double bottom. If it's breaking here, you can enter long. Remember my word. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. Over here is only for swing trading. Here, same thing, same level like the SP 500, same candle here as you see it. And even in the daily, it give you here a pin bar like that. Should you enter long now? Well, no, not yet, my friend, because you need to wait in a price action. And look at it, when the market try to reverse, it give you here a big price action. At this time, there is nothing, so you need to wait until the market give you here price action. It might you're going to see from here the market do like that, then after that to drop. So till you got a confirmation from the market behavior. The market behavior is the price action. So till now you don't got nothing here, and you still in a very, very, very sharp falling knife. So you can't enter against the market, and when you're swimming against the river, you're always going to die. So remember my words, guys. Till now the market's still falling down. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, yes, also we got here a divergence as you see it, but that one here at the end of the day is just a oscillator or a technical indicator, and all of them, they don't work. Remember my word. Also we're testing thousands of indicators. Also we're talking about premium indicators. You pay money for them, nothing of them it work. We tested thousands of them. We tested, no matter how test you thinking of, we tested, nothing is working. The only thing which is work is the price action, because price action is always staying there. It doesn't repent itself. Yes, sometimes you're going to get fake signals, but majority of the time price action is always working, guys. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go in to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, same thing like the SP500. Here you got here a double bottom here as you see it. Not the neckline here. Very clear neckline. If it's breaking here, you can enter long, guys. If we break in here, that neckline here, you can enter long. I will tell you exactly where is the neckline here. Is it at 14,633.9? If any candle came there and closing above that level here, you can enter long. At this time there is nothing, so you need to wait more. And you got here a downtrend as you see it here. You see it or no? Or a down channel, you can make it even like that. It needs to be broken here for you to enter long, and the break we're going to happen here is going to be the break of that neckline. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Same thing here. Look at it. You got here a clear divergence, guys. Should we enter long? No. Same thing we used to have here at divergence. You remember it? Here we used to have here at divergence. Why the market doesn't reverse? We need to wait in the price action. The price action is the king, guys. The price action here is the king here. Look with me here what I'm going to show you. Over here it used to be a support. It's getting broke here. Now it's become a resistance here. Told you enter long? Not yet. It might from here is going to fall down to break that last low here. So everything is too clear, guys. Here now it's going to see the DXY or US dollar, what they're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar. US dollar, as you see it, it's breaking here. That level here we used to talking about. And now it's going to that one here, which is in the top here. It hasn't touched it yet. That means US dollar is still giving us new high. People that trading Forex, they know that today the Euro USD fall down to a record. The cable or British Pound USD, they fall down to a record. USD Japanese Yen, it give you today a record. So that will tell you all that, because US dollar it's breaking that very stronger supply and demand zone, and now it's going to here at 107. Remember that. Let me tell you exactly that level. The low of it is at 107.152. The top of it at 107.323, guys. So everything is too clear. US dollar it's still giving us new high. There is nothing new here. US dollar it's still going up till it came something new and it's going to change it. Now we're still giving us higher high. And I told you to enter short, it needs to come to break that long term white trend here. Us we being followed from long time. Till now we haven't break it, so us we still waiting. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it touch here the overbought area. Should we enter short? Not yet, my friend. Till the market gave us a clear price action. Till now we haven't got any price action, so us we need to wait till the right time. That's it. That's the only thing I can tell you. Now let's go in to see what the DXY doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the DXY in 30 minutes, we got here a divergence here. I'm going to show it to you. And we got another one here like that. I'm going to show you all those things. Shall we enter short now? If the market gave you here a price action and came down and breaking down here, till now you haven't got nothing. The only thing you got here, that uptrend like that, very sharp uptrend. Another one is it here. Till now we haven't break nothing of those ones, so there is no entry short. US dollar is going to give you new high. Remember my word, we're going to fall down to touch here maybe, and after that it's going to go more higher to give you a new high till it will touch that 107. I'll tell you all those things, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, look with me here, that the divergence me I'm talking about. You came here and you came here. A very, very clear divergence. Should you enter short? If it came up breaking here, that trend line which is here, that one here, yes, you can enter short, but at this time there is nothing, and that one at the end of the day just an indicator. You remember last time we said we got a divergence here. Here exactly. Is it breaking any price action here for you to enter short? No. Same thing now. We got here a divergence, but that one at the end of the day just an oscillator, guys. So everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.